Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Menteri jangka sorkar jela uba pol lengdo haga arpulai tarik unai weng arjar arpusau ula pelai pai ya ke music video bala ai kerteng one step ya ke bala ruai daga kenhun ruai bala tip kerteng kumkan never end haga jing yalang ke bala long Shillong Press Club haga jing pelai pai ya ke ni music video lai don lang ru uba m kar krang bat kit khot jangka kenhun ruai never end. Ya gani ke music video la penbit penbiang da uba kamki deng do naga State of Mind Productions rengkat ke jingi trailang bat manager jangka kenhon uba meban teis kem karkongor.
Baca ko bagi disita di layar di betala asnam sting ba layar perform smoothly gigs Shillong goti ko kata ke long ke ik la ya sebul di jingat di jingi ko ba bat juru men makan sini bagi pelaj dengan personal semacam bila tho nadu asnam tak ada dengan sini kalau ba komen diri pertama ba juru bisa anak musik tur bisa tur ada di sini banget betul benar yang kapan tapi ini
di dunia wajah music video kalau bagi saya bekat ya band member lu bagi video ini ke music video di dia kalau benar kena tenat di I shipping lalu dan I not a short message teman ko nong peka jingi jonga hari ni snap dari nong iba kumu baki artist ginong ruai nong pun nong tempat kumu baki nong short film short video laki uba agak jelas jingi tentang kena samna pun ni iba lawan cekuman kita ni YouTube channel jong baki naka tingdang lagi mendaki post kerensan kunci tamasa ke bahaya kunci ceri kosong bat benda tete baca bat sudah jelaru yola ini tingdang lagi bat kini cuma di YouTube kalau play tisha bun ki artist yola dan showcase ke talent lagi dia kata bagi group yogi di hakapor bagi perform live tu bagi bun ki fan kemai kunci Norway jadi itu semua izan YouTube Nantapa di post kerensan kunci music festival kita tete berkuiru keba pelong dekat dengan nama ba kejing involve lagi nak samla haki diki semua ke music ke filmmaking video content kita try kirang ba kin menjuru bangaru ka kepala diki na bun ki jing snew semua try tip pro ga ketika job manage kini kuai nata dia sai daga ba I mean see lagi ala lagi but kita kirang bah ni kiba ada sorkar mungkin atau bun ki platform juga ni begin lak menshna ki film ki music kita tete MGP project kan ni kahlu megla dia kamen ba nani shakmat bun kena sama banyak ke ba flut or hi kam basni ba ki olat ban express ye ladi lambak art di goi kata mo soha ko soi ki ni ru begini le video kadi koi ne kata kala pangi i Jason i kata Remy Bachan Lakau di mana ni antara bukan ai mensim pada kiwi di nasa maru in yang syahmat menikam.
What we have heard just now from the introduction was that the ban is from 2021 and now it's 24, which means you are still at a very, very infancy stage. And as always, an infant needs all the support that is available. And we are here to support you, give you the moral support, and government has been coming out with a lot of opportunities for budding talent like you all, so that you can shine and make our state proud. I'm very sure that one day you will reach the pinnacle of your dreams, but
There's a word of advice from me. When you reach that pinnacle, please be humble and have empathy. A lot of people, you will be the role models for many, many other young boys and girls. Be prepared to help other budding talents like you when you have reached that pinnacle of your success.
It's a huge step for music in India that when it started off in the 60s, and earlier than that, music was just a hobby, was just passion. Today, that passion has gone well ahead. It is no longer just entertainment, it has become an industry. And I'm proud to say this, that just under one government program, the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Production, over 3,000 youngsters have registered themselves. And we always talk of brain drain, people leaving Meghalaya in order to find better avenues, better opportunities outside. It's a huge achievement that as we speak, our youngsters today have gone in the past 4 months to perform in various cafes of the hard rock gang. It is not a small achievement. Certainly, we need and we do have the talent, but more important, we also need a support system. And that is something which I'm proud to say that we've been able to create the support system. And it's also important that the support that we give should be in the form of hand-holding. Ibetindenti, niarap makanyang, obey laws, but one day need to work. And that is where hand-holding is important. To ensure that the parents give that required support in order to be able to enable the child to one day walk on his own. Ikaw about kinsan ako kinla banyak ako desmi yang di harap itu jap. Minum IEP tapi crutch mati crutch today. Bapin hafal pinagam baru siji. Jadi expect sa government channel dan government dan support kanom namar katahi kami limit yang capacity. But kindon, hanya kindon ki videos, kindon ki music, ki belum bayar persyar, kita ada sistem. Kumno pin lihat atau apa. Dalam save tahu music, kebayaan against ya sistem. Kumno pin macam as culture. Banyak tak pelajari berlaku kesan tadi, jadi.